So ito po yung banyo ng aming ini-stayhan dito sa Cebu. So, ayan, dito magsha-shower ka. This is the shower. And then, dito din ay ipagpag mo lang din. Diyan. Alam nila. Tapos, ayan yung ano niya. Sa harap. Tapos, kung gusto mong mag-bathtub, bathtub ka dyan. Pero, hindi na ako mag-bathtub. Mag-shower na lang. Mas madal. Ay, pag mag-bathtub ka, matatagalan maligo. Amore, why did you use this? Se vede come si chiama? Amore, you change when you go. You change.
Ne ho una per ogni 2 giorni. This place is lovely.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Bello, mi piace.
Sei contento, amore?
Sì, sono contento, mi piace. Sì, I don't like.
I will tell them.
La di volta, eh? No, we have to take pictures.
Masakan din niya kanina.
Look at this thing meraviglioso. Yeah, like. That's wonderful. That's beautiful.
Ano, kalma. Ay, we can swim, I think, here.
I know.
Yeah.
We can ask Jonathan if it's possible to swim.
Hey, Jonathan, it's possible to swim here?
No. I want to ask my brother first.
Yeah.
If we're allowed.
If not, nothing. We'll just watch the view.
Where possible to swim.
Uy, ang ganda. Di nga nakita kay Masirong. Short video na lang ito. Short video na? Oo. Di na, naklik ko na. Diri pag nalarga ba? O, nalarga na. Smile. 1, 2, 3.
And then the owner of the Sheraton lives here.
Here.
On the top floor. There.
Wow. Dito ka mo. Yeah. It's dark, so I'm just, I don't know.
Like this.
Wait.
Film upside down.
Like that.
So that the lens is pointing down.
Oh, like
You're
that.
gonna take a picture like this.
Okay.
That way, you see, you can get them on the bottom.
Yeah.
And then you have a more top view.
Yeah,
But it's recording.
yeah, it's you can take pictures. 1, 2, 3, smile. Direk nakita mo si Roma. Sige lang ito, okay lang ito. Salamat. Ikita. Yan, yung sister kong maganda. Charvani Vlog. Ito yung asawa kong gwapo. Yan. Hello, asawa.
Hello, amore.
Ay, naku. Welcome to Cebu. Amore, it's beautiful here, right? In this here is Cebu and close to the airport.
This is the best hotel I ever seen in my life.
Wow, really, Amore.
And I see a lot.
Ay, di here.
And I see.
Saan si ate? Nagbanyo si ate? Okay.
Fried rice. Indonesian fried rice. Maybe then very great. Delicious.
Salamat eh.
You'll be sad. Why don't you ask her to take a picture of me?
Ay, oo nga pala, te. Pag bumalik yung te, mag-ask tayo ng picture.
What? You don't like?
No, I said to my sister, when the girl come back, we will ask picture together. Wait, the view is nice, madam. So the view is my favorite.
That is delicious.
Yeah, I like the Filipino mango.
You want to go to the factory where they package the mango here? 7D. It's in the city.
Yeah.
You can get dried mango there.
Okay po. Thank you. Ay, ganyan pala yung sa kanya. Ano, there's bone this ito, no? Wala na tong bones. Ay.
I don't want
Sige, sabihin na lang natin na wala. Para kumain. Tulungan niya ako.
You want some salad?
Nakaunit ko ikuan, Jonathan. Share itato na, no? So, share.
Wala na content.
Learn how to live with the life. Io vorrei fare il bagno adesso. Ci siamo. Oggi 16, oggi 15, 16, 17. Domani dopo vogliamo andare, eh? Me lo dico anche una preferite per questi amici. Ma lì sta bit, no?
Wala, hindi na gumagana. Bas, grazie. Thank you. Wow, the special entrance. Mag-video ka, te.
Galit niyo.
Sayang, konti lang yung
So we are just there, right? There. Yes.
My sister vlogger, Charwena. Charwena vlog. Like and subscribe.
Adorly.
Adorly vlog.
And Adorly. And Granny. And Granny.
I wish we can. Grabe, magkano? Yan, si madam.
Nangakuan ni, ay, man.
Busy siya sa kanyang business, monkey business. Ay. This is our view.
Memory.
Memory?
Oo. Pumapit ko lang.
Meron yan. No, I don't know.
Ay, ayaw lang. Ikukuha ko like share ko. Share it. Marang naman kami kukuha na din yan. Nakatuwaan ko.
While short video. The kitchen. walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet. Stuff to put. You can last. Yan.
Send this to Johanny. Send this to
Very
Johanny.
nice.
No, it's a postcard. No, it's nice. It's a real postcard. Saluti dalle Filippine. Imagine. Guarda di colori. Guarda che bello.
You're the one that take that.
Of course.
Why yours is better?
Because you don't know how to use the mobile. I mean, you take pictures.
I like their Phantom. Super nice. Yung tawag ito, yung
Ano? Gindadak mo ito nini nga akong mga makeup day diri.
model, yung model ng cellphone mo. Kasi maganda may
Samsung lang eh.
automatic na i-edit na yung mga ano yung video.
Dili quick adto. Haga kanan ko pro adto iya nga ano.
Ay, kaya pala wala akong GoPro eh.
Di pwede ka man mag-download di app. Oo, may ano.
Wala akong GoPro. Albahin ko na lang yung group.
Joke lang.
Joke lang.